congratulations on getting your interview schedule with Career Leap programs.
Thank you.
I just wanted to understand what's your background and your educational background. What are you currently doing?
So, like I did my engineering in mechanical, after which I got into Accenture, where I was working for 4 years, but that was more into a technical side. And I thought more of my forte is in the management role. So I did my MBA recently, and right now I was looking for jobs in the management side. So that was the shift which was taking a lot of time, where uh, right now I'm taking assistance. And currently, I'm also working with the company, Foxconn, which is a similar role towards the management side, but it's a very slow-paced company. So that's why I'm again looking for a better opportunity in the management side, and where I have this interview right now. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, so Abhijit, did you like start this process on your own initially of started hunting jobs abroad, or how
Oh yeah, yeah,
was it?
definitely. Oh, definitely, definitely. I mean, after my MBA, I took I think it was almost like a year where I did a lot of digging myself. I even took some other consultancies' help for for making a better resume, for getting better scope outside, but it was kind of failing from every side. So after which I eventually came with Ninja Abroad, and I'm working here.
Okay, any specific reason or any specific things that you noticed during your hunting jobs by your own? Why was it not working, and what was the issues with other consultancies?
I mean, the major setback right now is the market scenario, which is kind of happening it everywhere globally, whether it be India or abroad. But I know my biggest weakness would be that I'm shifting from technical to management side, and whosoever company is coming, they are asking for experience in the management role, where I'm lacking. So that shift is kind of one more reason due to which I'm not getting a better opportunity.
Okay, so what do you think is the major problem when usually a person goes individually hunting jobs abroad versus when they take up a professional route via some consultancy or someone who has an expertise in this particular domain?
Like you yourself mentioned, like the expertise, when I'm seeking myself, I don't know where to hit, so I'm just blindly hitting everywhere possible. But once I'm taking consultancies help, they know which market, which uh, field to be tapped, so they kind of prioritize my energy towards that individual side. So when I used to apply myself, I used to waste a lot of my energy, because it's a human tendency. Like, you have that energy for half a day where you apply for 50, 60 jobs, after which gradually your energy goes down. So there
Right.
might be a chance, like, on the second half you get a good job, but since your energy is down, you don't give much of your efforts to make that job so much efficient. Whereas when a consultant help, they know where we can give the perfect energy and get the perfect result. So that is where I'm kind of hoping to get a better help from the consultant.
Okay, great. And also in terms of when you started hunting these jobs on your own, did you like do any particular research on which portals do you have to apply on, or there was a set of certain portals that you were aiming on?
To be honest, I just searched the internet for every kind of portal, and I just went for everything. So I didn't filter out. Basically, I just knew which profile I want to get into, which field I want to get into, and I opened dozens of portals and applied dozens of applications. So without any filter, I just kept myself open for anything.
Okay. So, like when you are applying for a job, either it is by yourself or by via the consultancy route, what do you think is most important in a job application? Is it like marketing your profile the right way, building up the right CV, the right cover letter? How important is it, and how time consuming it is as per you to do all these things?
I mean, it's a very crucial thing, because the first impression is your CV. Like, no matter how good of a professional are you, or how much you are lacking that efficiency in your technical field, but the first impression is your CV before they come to see you. So I think that is something, and basically for every company, it's a different CV. You cannot have just one common CV and apply everywhere. So that you basically need like a good amount of preparation time before applying to filter out your CV based on the application and the job requirement. So that is one biggest task. After which, knowing the job description, you have to prepare yourself, mold yourself to. And yeah, while we do an interview, it's all about storytelling. No matter you know ABC, but it's basically like how you project yourself. So this is like the 80% of a interview process for getting a job is the preparation and 20% is the execution. So that 80% needs a better and a good amount of preparation and knowledge and expertise, where the consultancy can help in a better way.
Okay. And if you had to give one word to people, other people who are looking out for similar opportunities abroad, do you think patience is the most important part in this particular process? As in,
Definitely. I mean, I'm sorry I interrupted you. Do you want to complete your question?
no, 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 you can go ahead.
So yeah. I mean, it's the biggest thing you can have right now because it's like it's a fact. Like when once you start hitting 100 jobs, then there's a possibility that you might hit one or two. So patience is a very big thing, and apart from that, you have to just keep putting your efforts and I mean, patience is the best thing you can have right now because gradually the job market, the global scenario is changing, but you need to be patient and you need to keep on developing yourself to be capable at the moment when the job opportunity opens drastically. So yeah,
Right.
that's very important.
Yeah, I asked that question particularly because a lot of people who come to us, the first question is, कितने time में job मिल जाएगा? So we don't have a set answer to it because see, it depends on a lot of factors like how many openings are there matching to your profile, how many applications you are going to do, how many interview calls you are going to get. So it's a very basic thing that as many interview calls you get, there are more chances of you getting a good offer. That's what people don't understand. So they put a timeline against it कि 6 महीने में हो जाएगा, 7 महीने में हो जाएगा, which is actually not true. See, it could happen in the first go also. आपका एक इंटरव्यू हो गया and then you're cleared, you got an offer which you accepted and you go ahead. But it could be after 100 of applications as well. So that's why I specifically asked how much importance of
Yeah.
that pay there is in this particular thing. And how did you like the overall process of Abroad Ninja throughout now since you have started with us?
I mean, it's good. I mean, this mindset should be for everybody because even I came with the same mindset. Like, it's not that you go to a consultant and say them that I have my hands up. You just take the money and do my job. This is not the way you approach it. Even right now, while Ninja Abroad is helping me to get jobs, although even I am doing my part, I am applying 100 to 200 jobs every day, and Ninja Abroad is just helping me, assisting me to make it more simplified and more precise. So I think
Right.
everybody should have the same mindset that even I have to work along with the consultant. It's not that it's just one way. So both ways have to be, the communication should be that way and the working management should be that way. So
That's
yeah,
a very
it's helping a lot. I mean, uh, basically like the whole 1 year, well, while I was applying individually, I was not getting one or two interviews. So that was kind of demotivating because at least like bhai kuch to mil jaye, at least one interview to express myself, to at least have a gist how the interviews go. So Ninja Approach is helping me there to give me a little more optimistic approach, to give me a bit more of motivation. So let's see how it goes. I mean, right now the process is very good, and although Ninja Approach is helping me to know which direction I should apply. I mean, they're filtering out, so that right now I know where should I apply, how to apply. So yeah, that's how it's helping me.
right, right. Great. So we are very happy with your progress. And is there any particular feedback that you would like to give us, or any suggestions that you would like to give us?
Oh no, no. I mean that's totally fine right now. Even one thing I face, it could be better. Like right now, I know there's a lot of applicants like me who are applying for such kind of assistance. So, for example, like the person who is managing me. So Neha, she's doing a fab job. Her team is doing a fab job. But what happens is, I think under her there are a lot of applicants like me. So
Right.
there's a there's a kind of gap which comes sometimes. Like I need to have the assistant, but there's a lot of work on her, so she's not able to give proper time. She does manage it. She does by doing overtime, But yeah,
Okay.
if like for number of applicants, like for 5 or 4 applicants, there was one person. So that will be even good for her, the manager, and for me also to have a good communication and good transparency. So
That's a real good
that's
feedback.
basically exactly that's basically management. So like 4 or 5 people, there's one person to manage them.
Right.
So I think
Right. So we
that will
have to put
even
efforts on the work
exactly.
strength
Yeah,
at
yeah,
our end to make this process a little more seamless.
correct.
And
Yeah.
if I had to ask you, like, if you have to suggest any of your friends or family, would it be the right way if they are looking out for a job abroad or placement abroad to
Oh,
route it
definitely,
professional consult?
definitely. Definitely. I mean, it's basically you're not wasting your energy. Like obviously, somebody would prefer to do it individually, but they are wasting that much of energy to find a job. But here, you basically get a platform and you get a correct way to channelize that energy. So obviously, I would suggest this.
All right. Thanks a lot, Abhijit. I'm done with my questions, and
Perfect.
we wish you all the best for the
Thank
future
you
ahead.
so
And
much.
hope we get you a lot of interviews and you get the dream offer that you are waiting for, and you
Yeah.
land a job abroad soon. So all the
Thank you
best,
so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Abhijit.
Uh,
Thanks.
yep.
Bye.